You know, I gotta say, Andy, I've always loved power tools, you know,
too.
and I always wanted to be like Tim the Tool Man on the show, and today we are, because we're talking about power tools. Today, we're talking about smart technology that's built into power tools, and what I think is really cool about this is that it's not just the drill that has the technology, and it's actually the battery that's installed into the drill that has a Bluetooth connection to an app that you load into your phone, and once you've got that app enabled, you have a lot of connectivity options with your actual power tool.
Yeah, we're looking at the DeWALT hammer drill or impact drill, and it's fantastic because, you know, a lot of people, or just about everybody, needs some type of cordless drill. Nobody does the old school way anymore. And this one, you know, has a lot of technology, pretty much creating a new category of smart tools.
Yeah, well again, I talked about it being built into the battery. So the tech is in the battery. We're now Bluetooth connected to the battery that's attached to this drill, and if I want to say, not allow the drill to be used, as I've started it there, I hit the disable button on the app, and if you take a minute and wait for it to do it, hang on a second, now try. No longer able to use it. It's cut off the power supply to the drill. So I just go back to enable it there. So some of the other features that's built in, you can simply see the temperature of the drill, you can see how much of your charge is left. But what I also liked on it is you can go to some other features as well. For example, you can lend the tool with the battery out as well. If you lend it to someone, you can decide how long they can have it on loan until it's automatically disabled. So you know that friend that always borrows your tools and never returns them? Well, if they borrow it too long, it's a brick, it won't work.
Well, it's kind of funny if they say, hey, I just need to borrow your drill for 5 minutes, you're like, all right, I'll give you 6.
Yeah. And then you can also set different settings as well. So you can have the phone alerted if the drill and the battery go outside of a certain range, or if the battery's getting if the it's draining quite quickly, you can have it alert you to that as well. So there's a whole bunch of different alerts. This is really interesting in terms of how this technology is now put into our power tools to help us be more efficient, keep better track of them, and get them back from our friends.